Okay. Got comms? Ready?
Yes.
All right. By the way, there's a lot of food in there. It's pasta and garlic and everything, so if you guys want food, you guys can go get it.
Yeah.
There's like so much food left over. Really?
Yeah, like a whole tray left.
And meatballs. Oh yeah. Ready?
Yes. Okay, enabling.
Good.
Right, you ready?
Zero just in case, yeah?
Okay.
Good? Drive Sweater.
This is not sweater weather.
Outpost bump. Can you get out or no? Disable? Disable, there you go. There you are. No, wait, wait.
Okay. Enabling.
Outpost bump. Try getting out of that.
Enabling. Do I go off now?
Go off that one. Outpost trench. That's alright. That's funny. How's your phone jump? It's fine. Reminds me of 24. When I yelled.
What happened?